All right, let's talk about a hidden flaw that's actually stealing power from solar cells. So, why do solar cells leak power anyway? A big reason is a hidden defect causing major loss.
And the culprit has a name: shunt resistance. It's like a tiny power thief inside the cell.
So what is it really? Think of it as a bad shortcut for electricity to take. This isn't part of the design. It's a tiny mistake that happens during manufacturing. Think of it like a leaky pipe. Instead of all the current going where it should, some leaks out. And that leak means less current is doing useful work. That directly cuts your power output. We can actually see this power leak in the math. Pay attention to that last little part. Right here, this little term shows exactly how much current that defect is stealing away.
And here's the kicker: this problem gets way worse when the sun isn't shining brightly.
Okay, so why is it so much worse in low light? Let's break it down.
Well, with less total current available, that same small leak becomes a much bigger percentage of the whole. We can actually see the damage on a graph. This is what's called an IV curve. And the key is the slope of the curve right around here. It tells us about the leak. Just look at the difference. A bad cell has a steep slope, showing a major leak. This directly hurts something called the fill factor, which is basically a measure of the cell's quality. So what's a good number? For commercial cells, you're looking for something around here. So the main takeaway is simple. Higher shunt resistance is always better. It means fewer leaks. It really makes you wonder, right? What if we could get rid of these tiny defects completely?